siya. And then, i-rub ko siya sa aking face. Yung side na marami akong pores guys is itong side na to. Dito sa yung side na yan. So guys, it will take a little while to dry my skin off. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is LEA ADAMS, the selfie queen. For today's video guys is another I don't know, another video in the bathroom as you can see. So, nandito na naman tayo sa bathroom namin ngayon. And today guys is I will share to you what I do for my face, how I exfoliate and how I take care of my skin, specifically my face. So some people commented in my previous videos that I look like I don't have pores, but I do have. Grabe naman yung walang pores, Marami Bernardo. Marami akong syempre mga anik-anik sa mukha, ganyan. Meron din akong mga veins, meron akong mga pores din, at saka meron din ako mga blackheads. But, hindi siya sobrang malala guys kasi inaagapan ko siya whenever I feel like yung face ko is marami na siyang mga sumusobra na yung mga malas niya sa mukha. Sumusobra na yung malas ko sa mukha. So, yun. And excuse for my voice, maybe it's different kasi meron akong sipon ngayon. Yes, pagkatapos ni hubby magkasakit, ako naman yung nagkasakit. So that's the story of marriage kasi kapag nagkasakit yung isa naman yung magkakasakit. Either kayong dalawa magkakasakit or exchange kayong dalawa. Okay na yung isa, ikaw naman yung magkakasakit. So that's our story. It's just one of them. Anyway, I'm gonna share to you what I do. And I'm gonna share to you the products that I use to exfoliate and to make my face clean and to open and close my pores. And I'll share it to you guys, and I will do my best to share it to you and explain everything to you as long as I can, because I'm not an expert in this. This is just what I do, not on a daily basis, kasi hindi ako na-exfoliate on a daily basis. Na-exfoliate lang ako maybe thrice a week or twice a week, depends. Ayun. So, kung marami akong ganap, agi akong lumalabas, syempre marami alikabok, and all that. So, yun ako, mas nag-exfoliate ako ng skin ko nun. And then, if ever nasa bahay na ako, hindi na masyado kasi feeling ko pag nasa bahay ako, guys, hindi masyadong exposed yung skin ko. And if feeling ko, hindi naman ako, kasi pag nasa bahay ako, it's either nasa bed na ako all day, watching YouTube, editing, and all that. But if ever, like, lumalabas ako, yun, mas feel ko na mas madumi yung face ko. Yun yung feeling ko, in my own opinion guys, ha. Yun lang. And then, anyway, let's start. So, first kong ginagawa guys is, yung face ko is, hinuhugasan ko siya ng mainit na tubig. Hindi siya sobrang mainit na nakakasunog na over na guys, hindi. Yung tubig na tolerable lang ng skin nyo. So, yung tubig na parang lukewarm, pero sa akin kasi is more than lukewarm ata yung ginagamit ko kasi yung tubig na ginagamit ko is yung mainit siya pero tolerable ng skin ko. So yun yung hinuhugas ko ng aking face. And then guys, pag nagsha-shower kasi, pag mainit yung tubig yung niligo mo, syempre merong steam, diba? So maganda yun guys kasi ino-open niya yung pores mo. So yung hot water is yun yung nag-open ng pores. And yun yung time na mas magandang mag-exfoliate kasi open yung pores mo. So yung mga clog pores mo dyan, tsaka yung mga madudumi na yung mga dumi sa loob ng pores mo is ma-exfoliate mo. Ano ba to? Mahirap mag-Tagalog. Diyos ko, Lord. So, as what I'm saying, if open yung pores nyo, dun yung mas madaling i-clean. Kasi open na siya, and then dun yung mas magandang mag-exfoliate. Kasi yung pores niya is open, yung mga dumi is open na siya. So, pwede nyo na siyang ma-exfoliate and matanggal. So, yun yung pagkakaintindi ko guys, in my opinion. And for me, I feel like it works. So, ayun. So, after 5 to 10 minutes guys, yun na yung time na mag-exfoliate kayo. Yun yung time na kukunin nyo yung exfoliator nyo and then doon nyo siya i-massage sa skin nyo. Make sure yung mga parts na feeling nyo marami yung pores, doon din kayo mag-exert ng maraming time na mag-massage at maglagay ng products na exfoliator. Anyway, papakita ko nyo sa inyo mamaya kung ano ang gagawin ko at paano ko siya gawin. Anyway, after that, yun. And then after that, I'll show you my moisturizer. After hot shower or hot face wash and exfoliating your skin, lalagyan niyo siya ng cold product or moisturizer, which is I'm gonna show you later. But for now, I'm gonna show you what I do, okay? Hindi ako mag-shower today, mag-face wash lang ako. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginagawa ko as best as I can. Kasi mahirap dito guys, kasi wala akong cameraman. Charot. Anyway, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginagawa ko. So, let's go! So, nandito na tayo guys, and today is maghahakbat na ako kasi na-set up ko yung camera ko dyan. Anyway, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys. So, ganyan siya. And then, itatry ko muna siya kasi baka sobrang init. So, itatry ko siya. As long as mapili ko na tolerable lang siya. Yung tubig. Ito guys, mainit-init na to siya. You'll see later kasi ano na yan, mag-steam na yung bathroom. But anyway guys, of course, wait lang, tatapusin ko man na ito at nag-chika tayo. Ito guys, mainit-init talaga siya, but tolerable lang siya sa skin. Pero pag sinabi na naliligo, as in full blast yung heat dito guys. As in grabe. Sanay na sanay. Guys, and by the way, no need naman na kailangan nyo ng shower na ganito. Pwede din yung magpakulo kayo ng mainit na tubig. Magpakulo kayo ng tubig. I mean, tapos, yun, pwede siyang gamitin. Yung steam nun is, gano'n nyo lang sa face nyo. Yun yung ginagawa ko dati nung wala pa kaming hot and cold na shower. So, ayun. Kasi si hubby yung nagturo sa akin ito before. So, ayun. Yun. After that, ito yung face ko. After that, ito yung ginagamit ko na exfoliator. Wait lang, sana ba yun ito? Ito guys, ito yung Celitec. Yes, meron ako mga ganyan kasi meron ako mascara. So, hayaan na natin. So, ito yung ginagamit ko guys, Celitec. Bakit ba? Ang layo niyo. Yung ginagamit kong exfoliating facial wash is itong Celitec. Itong Gentle Exfoliating Facial Wash with Dual Vitamin Nourishing Beads. And ito siya guys is dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, at fragrance-free. So ito yung ginagamit ko. Shake ko muna para equal. Tapos maglalagay ako sa aking palm. And then i-rub ko siya sa aking face. Yung side na marami akong pores guys is itong side na to. Dito sa yung side na And nagpo-focus talaga ako sa dito na side. Kasi dyan ako mas maraming pores. Ayan. After nyan, pinapastay ko yung product 2 to 3 minutes. Ayan. And then, while doing that, magsasabon muna ako. Maghihilod, ganun. Pinapastay ko yung product dyan for 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Ayan. Parang harsh ako tignan sa skin ko. Parang ang harsh ko tignan, but hindi guys, gentle lang talaga yan. Ang harsh ko tignan pag nagaganon, pero gentle lang talaga ako. Ayan. And after that, maghilamos tayo and then magsasabon. And then I'm gonna show you one more product. So, yun. Ayan. Ang ganda siya. And after that, guys, ito yung isa sa mga ginagamit ko. Itong Abonet ba yan? Basta itong Spa Milk Salt, Moisturizing and Whitening Smooth and Baby Skin. Ito yung isa sa mga ginagamit ko, guys, sa mga singit-singit. Ito rin yung ginagamit ko para sa kilikili. Ito rin yung ginagamit ko sa face. Kasi, ito guys, yung Salitec. Ito, mas mahal to kaysa dito. Ito, mas marami ito. Pero ito guys, maganda talaga to siya for me. I don't know, try nyo lang siya if hiyang siya sa inyo. But ito rin guys, 85 peso lang ata to. Ito kasi 100 plus to. After those washes, I will get the special product in the fridge. Yes, it's in the fridge. And this is it. So, I bought this probably, what babe, a month ago? 2 months ago? During my birthday, yes.
Okay.
I bought this during my birthday. Before Jejualoeice, I used this snail moisturizing hydro gel from Momoso, this one. But since I bought this Jejualoeice and it was reviewed by Miss Mama Ann Klutz, so this is the one I was using after that, and I'll show you right now because this is freezing. This is from the freezer, and I'll show you right now. Ooh, looks like this. So it's freezing right now. Yeah, so this is really nice, super good. It feels so good after a hot shower and then cold. So it's gonna close the pores. It's already clean pores, so it's gonna close the pores because it's cold. Husband was like, I don't know what you're talking about. Well, he knows what I'm talking about because he's the one who...
I understand the concept of opening and closing pores in skincare.
Yeah, because as I told you guys, he's the one who told me about these things. So he knows what I'm talking about.
I just don't understand what you're doing.
Yeah, I'm just...
on a phone with a camera doing this regimen. But that's your thing.
Yeah, so I'm just showing them how I exfoliate my skin.
I am just playing with the dog because it's chewing my shoes.
So that's it, guys. So this was from the freezer, and as I've heard, when you put this in the freezer, the longevity,
yes.
The longevity of the product will be longer.
That's what it means, longevity.
Yes.
The product will have longevity.
So I will let this dry first, and I'll get back to you guys and show you what my skin looks like after exfoliating. And this is gonna be lighting. So guys, it will take a little while to dry my skin off. So yes, it's normal if I'm exfoliating that some of my dry skin will come off like this, like that. I think that's all. But this is what my face looks like after exfoliating. I look so white. And my husband doesn't like that.
Nope.
So this is what my face looks like. How does it look, babe?
Shiny.
Ooh, shiny is nice.
This looks shiny. Clear.
It looks clean.
Looks clean.
So this is what my face looks like. I'm gonna show you a before and after. So right now in the screen.
I love your face.
Thank you. So that's it for today's video, guys. That's how I exfoliate my skin. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you had fun watching me washing my face in the bathroom. Anyway, this is my face now, and as you can see, it's a little bit whiter than my neck because I focus on my face most of the time, so that's not good. But anyway, I will do a great job next time, or a better job next time. I will really include my neck from all these procedures that I do for my face. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, and see you in my next video. Bye! Please don't forget, drink a lot of water. That's what's making your skin nice too.